why Biden wants streamlined naturalization for 9 million migrants. Myanmar lawmakers say that they are under house arrest after the coup. Afghan Taliban wants US-led troops to leave the country as a schedule. Iran rejects US allegation about making a nuclear bomb. In Afghanistan, 2 people were killed and 4 others injured in a 2-car bomb explosion in the capital Kabul. A meeting of the Federal Cabinet chaired by Prime Minister Imran Khan is in progress in Islamabad.